Winter can wreak havoc on your plumbing, but with the right maintenance, you can prevent pipes from freezing. We'll discuss proactive steps to safeguard your pipes, ensuring they withstand the winter chill. From insulation methods to identifying vulnerable areas, we've got you covered. We'll also delve into preventive measures like allowing faucets to drip and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Lastly, we'll equip you with an emergency action plan in case your pipes do freeze, providing peace of mind during the colder months. Understanding which pipes are susceptible to freezing is crucial in protecting your home's plumbing system during winter. We'll discuss how factors such as location, insulation, and exposure contribute to a pipe's vulnerability. By identifying these at-risk areas, you can prioritize insulation and preventive measures. Furthermore, we'll emphasize the importance of protecting these vulnerable pipes to avoid costly damage and disruptions. Stay tuned to learn how to spot vulnerable pipes and take the necessary steps to shield them from freezing temperatures. Properly insulating your pipes is essential for safeguarding them against freezing temperatures. We'll explore various insulation methods, from insulation sleeves to heat tape, and other effective measures to protect your pipes. Understanding these techniques will enable you to choose the most suitable insulation for different areas of your plumbing system. By implementing these insulation methods, you can prevent heat loss and maintain consistent temperatures within your pipes, reducing the risk of freezing and potential water damage. Join us to discover the best practices for insulating your pipes and ensuring a well-protected plumbing system. In addition to insulation, implementing preventive measures is vital in protecting your pipes from freezing. We'll delve into practical steps such as keeping cabinet doors open to allow warm air to reach exposed pipes, allowing faucets to drip to relieve pressure, and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures to prevent rapid cooling. These measures can significantly reduce the risk of frozen pipes and potential water damage. By incorporating these preventative strategies, you can fortify your plumbing system and minimize the impact of frigid winter conditions. Stay with us to learn how these simple steps can make a big difference in safeguarding your pipes. Having an emergency action plan for frozen pipes is crucial in mitigating potential damage. We'll outline steps to safely thaw frozen pipes and when it's necessary to seek professional assistance. By understanding these procedures, you can respond effectively to unexpected pipe freezing, minimizing the risk of burst pipes and water damage. Additionally, recognizing the signs that indicate the need for professional intervention can prevent further complications. Join us to prepare for potential pipe freezing scenarios and equip yourself with the knowledge to address these emergencies with confidence.